Self-assessment or self-evaluation is very essential to know thyself, your weaknesses and strengths to grow and develop as individual. Why do we need self-assessment, or why we need to assess ourselves? Self-assessment serves as a mirror to our inner selves, to see the things that need to be cultivated and practiced to track our progress. By examining our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, we foster self-awareness, which is crucial for making conscious choices and navigating life's challenges effectively. Moreover, self-assessment is empowering us to take ownership of our actions and decisions. When we regularly evaluate our progress and performance, we become more proactive in pursuing our goals and adapting to changes. In the end, self-evaluation is a potent instrument for personal empowerment that helps us live more purposeful and meaningful lives by ensuring that our behaviors are consistent with our goals and values. Furthermore, self-assessment encourages ongoing education and development. We can use our strengths to take advantage of opportunities and improve our areas of weaknesses by being aware of them. By means of introspection and critical evaluation, we can acquire significant perspective that propel our individual and occupational growth. Self-awareness promotes a growth mindset in which difficulties are seen as chances for improvement and learning rather than as roadblocks. It enables us to chart our course, celebrate our victories along the way, and set reasonable goals. Essentially, self-evaluation serves as a trigger for continuous self-development, empowering us to reach our greatest potential and prosper in everything that we face, the challenges that we face in our lives.